Want to know how to change your group's profile picture or your avatar in Flatmate? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your Flatmate website. So once you have done that, you should be provided with this interface right here. And once you're under this interface, on the top right side you should be seeing explore, and once you select the explore, right below contributions, you should be seeing groups right here. Just simply select it, and once you have selected groups, you should be seeing various groups that are available. So on the right side you should be seeing my group right here. This would show your created groups specifically. So what you can do is you can just simply select a group that you have created, and you can just simply select edit right here. Now once you have selected it, here you should be seeing avatar. So you can just simply select choose file right here, and you can just simply select any file that you want to add as an avatar. So once you have selected it, you can just simply select update right here, and once that is done, so right here as you can see, your files will be updated and your avatar should be set. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.